Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. You can start.
Okay, good morning, students. Myself, Amal Jadhav, my subject is mathematics. Today we discuss what is the structure of university, that is subjects, what is teaching scheme, what is credit system, what is exam pattern, and your class teachers, your mentors, and your first semester subjects, because some subjects, physics, chemistry, electronics, electricals, are common, means only one subject is physics. Some students in first semester and some students in second semester. I am starting my presentation. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
first year's engineering structure for semester 1. This is semester 1 structure, subject wise. M1, that is engineering mathematics 1. Teaching scheme, examination scheme and marks and credits. For mathematics teaching scheme, 3 lectures per week. Physics or chemistry, 4 lectures. Physics 4 lectures per week, chemistry 4 lectures. Similarly, systems in mechanical engineering, basic electrical engineering, basic electronics engineering. Except physics and chemistry, all remaining subjects have only 3 lectures and practicals, 2 hours practicals. For mathematics, there is a tutorial and last workshop. This is also practical. Audit course is environmental studies, 2 hours lectures. Examination scheme. One minute. See here, 30 marks and 70 marks and 25 marks. Distribution of marks, exam scheme. 30 marks, 70 marks and 25 marks. 25 marks is the term work marks, depend on your performance in internal exam, assignments, practicals. ISE in same examination. In same examination, and ECE, that is end same. 2 parts of exam, one of 30 marks and remaining 70 marks. Structure of our SPPU 30-70 pattern. 30 marks internal exam, 70 marks external exam. Means both have conducted by SPPU Pune. Question papers comes from SPPU. 30 marks exam is depend on first 2 units. 30 marks exam is depend on first 2 units. Each subject having 6 units. 30 marks exam is depend on first 2 units and remaining 70 marks is on last 4. No syllabus of first 2 units in 70 marks. For 70 marks, only remaining 4 units. 30 साठी फक्त पहिले 2 युनिट असतील, 70 साठी लास्ट 4 म्हणजे राहिलेले 4 असतील. And 25 marks is depend on all 6 units. That is the practical or term work. Some subject term work marks 25 and this structure 30-70 for all subjects, similar for all subjects. This is first semester structure. Engineering, chemistry and physics. Suppose select one subject in first semester and select one subject in second semester. If we learn physics in first semester, then chemistry in second semester, not both in one semester. Not both in one semester. Physics, if physics in first semester, then chemistry in second semester. Same basic electrical engineering and basic electronics engineering. Also for same programming and problem solving and engineering mechanics. Basic electrical engineering, this is basic of electrical branch. Basic electronics engineering, this is the basic subject of electronics and telecommunication engineering. Programming and problem solving, this is basic subject of also computer engineering. Engineering mechanics is basic subject of civil branch. And physics, chemistry and mathematics are also basic subjects. So this is the structure of first semester. Examination scheme is 30-70 and 25 marks is depend on your performance, and that is practical or term work marks. Credit system. Credit system. Theory marks 3 credits for engineering mathematics 1, 4 credits. Only physics.
Just a minute, sir. Some student has written voice is not coming.
Okay.
It is audible to me, but for others, is it audible?
Yes,
sir, voice is not coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
For few students,
net connection.
Yes, ma'am.
it is
Yes, ma'am.
problem. When such kind of things happen, you will be having either you will be having internet issues or the teacher will be having internet issues. But this time teacher is not having any issues. For few students there is some issue. Okay.
Check your internet connection.
So,
Okay. Credit system.
Okay, continue, sir.
Okay, credit system is, suppose, sorry, if you pass in subject, if you pass, then we get 3 credits. 3 credits. Sorry. You just pass either on 40 marks or 100 marks. You get only 3 credits for M1, suppose M1. Out of 30, out of 70. One remember thing, out of 70, you must get 28 marks. And 30, you get 12. Then 28 plus 12, that is 40. Out of 70, we must require 28 marks. Out of 30, no restriction. Either you absent or 0 marks. Out of 70 marks, you get 40 marks or above 40 marks. Then you are. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Out of 70, of 70, you get out of above 40 marks, then you are pass. Then you get 3 credits. 3 credit तुम्हाला भेटणार आहेत. तुम्ही थेरीला पास झाला असेल तर, म्हणजे तुम्ही तो 40 वर पास हो किंवा आउट ऑफ 100 जरी मिळाले तरी तुम्हाला 3च क्रेडिट भेटणार. जे 40 मिळाले म्हणून 3 आणि 100 मिळाले म्हणून 3 पेक्षा जास्त तसं नसतं. क्रेडिट सिस्टीम सेम आहे. तुम्ही पास झाला तर 3, नाही पास झाला तर 0. ट्युटोरियल 1 credit. Total 4 credits for M1. Same for physics 5 and remaining subjects 4 credits. Total credits 22. 30-70. For 30, no restriction, no compulsion, minimum marks. But out of 70, 28 marks required. Means suppose out of 30, you get 30. Out of 30, you get 30. And suppose out of 70, you get 20 or 27. Total is 57, but you are fail. If out of 30 marks, you get 30 marks, and out of 70 marks, you get 27 marks. Total is 57, but you are also fail because in 70 marks, minimum marks required 28. So you are fail. 70 पैकी तुम्हाला 28 मार्क पाडणं गरजेचंच असतं. 30 मध्ये कितीही पडू द्या, टोटल तुमचे 40 झालेच पाहिजेत. लास्ट एंड सेम is a 70 marks. In same is 30 marks. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then ask me.
No, sir.
Same
No, sir.
subject
No, sir.
or same two? This is semester 2 structure. Subjects are engineering mathematics 2, physics, chemistry, basic electrical, basic electronics, programming and problem solving, engineering mechanics, engineering graphics. If we learn physics in first semester, then remaining students chemistry, and next semester chemistry is replaced by physics or physics is replaced by chemistry. Same, electrical is replaced by electronics. हे सेकंड सेमिस्टरचा आपण नेक्स्ट सेमच्या इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम मध्ये बघूयात. ग्रुप ए is for division 1 to 3. Group A and Group 2. All students are divided in two groups. Group 1A, Group 2, Group B. First 3 divisions, total 6 divisions. We are making 6 divisions of all students. Last year, total students admitted 422. Each division strength is 71. Total 6 divisions. First 3 divisions, Group A, and remaining 3 divisions, Group B. Difference is for Group A, subjects M1. M1 is a common, engineering mathematics 1. SME, that is mechanical subject, this is also common, and physics, basic electrical, and PPS. These are the 5 subjects for Group A. And Group B subjects are these are the subjects. आवाज कोणाचा येतोय? आवाज येतोय तो बंद करा कोणाचा असेल. Okay, see Group A subjects and Group B subjects. First 3 division subjects, M1. M1 is common for both group. Also systems in mechanical engineering, also common. Workshop and audit course are practical subjects, common for both groups. Group A subjects are M1 physics, basic electrical and engineering mechanics, and Group 2 chemistry, basic electronics and PPS. Next semester subjects are interchanged, and M1 replaced by M2, SME replaced by engineering graphics, and remaining subjects as it is: basic electrical replaced by basic electronics, physics replaced by chemistry, mechanics replaced by PPS. Now see class teachers and mentors. Group A first division class teachers, Miss Kulkarni ma'am. Kulkarni ma'am from electrical department. First A batch. Each division 3 batches. Each division 3 batches. First A batch mentor is Kulkarni ma'am from electrical department. First B batch mentor is Todkari sir from mechanical department. First C Falke madam from computer department. Second division class teacher myself Amol Jadhav, also mentor for first batch Second batch, mentor is Bosle sir from mechanical department. Third batch, Gaikwad sir from mechanical department. Third division class teacher, Sherke sir, and also mentor for first batch from physics department. Second batch of third division, Shah madam from computer department. Third batch, Shelar sir from electrical department. This is for first three divisions, class teachers and mentors. Remaining three divisions, that is group B, Suresh ma'am for fourth division, class teacher. Jadhav sir from chemistry, fifth division, class teachers. Bhagwat sir from mechanical, sixth division, class teacher. Mentors are fourth division, Suresh ma'am for first batch, Boite ma'am for second batch, third batch, Dandore sir from mechanical. Fifth division, first batch, Jadhav sir from chemistry department. Second batch, 5B, Pise sir from civil department. 5C batch, Gaikwad sir from civil department. Sixth division, first batch, 6A batch, class teacher Baku sir is mentor from mechanical department. 6B, Walke ma'am from civil department. 6C, More ma'am from ENTC department. These are the subjects of group A, group B. Here one mistake, mechanics is for group B and PPS is for group A. For first semester, these are the same subjects of first semester, mechanics for group A in second semester, not in first. PPS is first semester, mechanics is second semester. List of mentors also same. Now, list of students with roll numbers. See your roll numbers. Already we know that roll numbers. After that, from tomorrow, you always join meeting either on Zoom or Google Meet. Always first write down your roll numbers, then your name. Always join meetings with your name, but before name, you write down your roll number first and then your name. Tentative timetable in online mode. Lecture starts from 9:15 to 1:30. Daily 4 lectures in online mode. Four lectures for theory. No practice conducted online mode, only theory lectures. If you have any doubt, then ask. Thank you. My presentation is over. If you have any doubt, then ask me.
No, sir.
How many students
actually,
vaccinated?
Yes, sir. Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, our timetable will change as per the DT dates. It will keep on changing. If the DT dates changes, then our timetable will also get changed. So phase 1 induction program schedule is displayed by Professor Sonone in the group. So the same you can also display it. Phase 1, only phase 1 timetable. A phase 2 will be conducted from 20th of December. Once the second round students start joining the group, and then from 27th your theory classes will be continued, and if the guidelines are favorable, then we will start the classes in the offline mode. Okay, with initially we will start with theory classes, and then we will add practicals also as the students start joining the classes in the physical mode. Because most of the students stay away from Baramati. They are far away from Baramati. So at present there are, I think, bus strike is there. Due to that, they will not be able to join. So let us see what will happen in the coming days. From 27th, those who have taken the admissions in the hostels, they can join in physical mode. The local students can also join in the physical mode for their classes. And those who are not able to join, we will make provision for them to join in online mode. Okay. Students, if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, but I can't attend the lecture. I have joined now. So I want to ask, ma'am, when the offline mode is going to happen?
That is what I said now. Just now I said it. Your induction program till the second round students join will be conducted in online mode itself, because there are only 125 students. So for them, we have just kept the basic classes. So you can join these induction programs in the online mode. There will not be any offline mode, physical mode. And from 20th, our second phase starts for the induction program. Induction means it is just making you feel comfortable with the structure, and you all will be called as FE students. F stands for first year, E stands for engineering. So whenever you come across FE, it is for first year engineering. SE will be second year, TE will be third year, BE will be final year students. Okay, so for phase 2 also we will be continuing with online mode, but on 22nd we are planning to conduct inaugural program with principal's address. Okay, on 22nd we have planned it. It is a plan, but once the second round dates will not get extended, then this date will be fixed. Because what is happening is second round dates, if they get extended, then we have to extend this date. So, but our plan is to conduct the inaugural with principal's address on 22nd of December. So this will be conducted in the offline mode as well as in the online mode, because those students who are localites, those who can join this program, they can come to the college and attend this program. And for those who cannot join, we will provide live streaming of this program. Principal's address, that will be the inaugural. And then after inaugurals also, we will be continuing with the induction program with important presentations made by head of the departments. All heads will be presenting their departments. And then after that, we will start our academics from 27th of December. Okay, so 27th, we are planning with offline only, but it is not as such made mandatory, because we can understand the difficulties of the students, those who are not vaccinated yet, those who have not even taken single dose also, for them, as well as for those who are staying away from Baramati, far away from Baramati, who could not join because of the bus strikes. So for them also we will keep the online mode for a few days. Okay. So if the conditions will be favorable, then from January 1st, we will start. It depends. It depends on the conditions, circumstances. So based on that, we will decide whether 100% means the practicals will also be conducted in the offline mode from 1st of January. Till then, practicals we have not added. In the last week of December, we will have only theory. So depending on the university schedule, we will change our schedule also. University will provide a schedule. Start date, start of the semester, end of the semester. So how many days will be decided by the university for the first term? Based on that, our timetable will be there. Our timetable will be implemented. Okay. Any doubts? Any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
तुमचं दुसरा कुठला काय असतील अडचणी तरी सांगा काय. बुक्सचं असेल तर बुक्सचं थोडं थांबा, चालू होऊ द्या, नंतर सांगतील सगळे सब्जेक्ट टीचर कोणते बुक परचेस करायचे, काय करायचे.
So you can also by the time, you can also start completing your online courses. If you find any online course based on communication skills, okay, you have to learn English, you have to learn to communicate in English. So that also is important for giving the seminars and interviews in future. So right from the beginning, if you complete a few of the courses, if you attend these courses, online courses are available, communication skill courses. You can search in the Google for Coursera courses. Free courses are available. You can register for these courses and you can complete these communication skill courses, English communication courses. They will be for a 1 week course or 3 days course, like that. It depends on the time and what is delivered in that course. So depending on that, you can complete the online courses. Search for the online courses to improve your communication skills. Maybe few of you get it difficult to understand the language and understand the teaching in English. So it will be difficult for you. So you can later on contact the teacher. You can clear your difficulties personally. Okay. Any other problems or issues? Any other queries? Sadhu sir.
Yes, ma'am.
You can also send the PDF of SEM 1 structure.
Okay.
SEM 1 make a photo PDF of this only.
No, I will share PDF in WhatsApp group also, ma'am. After this meeting,
you can share. So you this structure on the portal. Students, you can site vpkb.org, search in the Pune University website. Also, you can search. You will get it syllabus. You will get the syllabus on the university portal as well as on the college portal. Just try to search what are the things that are there on the university portal, what are the things that are there on the college website. Just you can study about the university, about the institute that you have joined. Sir, same thing you can once again tell it in Marathi also.
Okay.
University website and college website.
Okay. See, VPK. Our website is vpkvit.org. You can search okay. दिसते वेबसाइट दिसते का? हेलो
नाही.
नाही
No
sir.
sir. No sir.
No, sir.
now
No, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
okay. After opening this website, this form is comes for admission inquiry of first year. Now you are admitted now. Close this. So this is website. Institute details, AICTE rules committee, not important. NAC accreditation, national accreditation, library details, academics, feedback, toppers, NPTEL lectures, virtual labs, here departments, and go last first year engineering. Then here faculty details, laboratories, student achievements last years, faculty participation, departmental activities, results, center of excellence, COE, guest lectures, and downloads. Downloads here syllabus, lab manuals, question banks. तुम्ही वेबसाईटवर सगळे डिटेल्स बघू शकता. स्टुडंट सेक्शन, ऍडमिशन, एक्झामिनेशन, स्कॉलरशिप, NSS ऍक्टिव्हिटी, PMSSS. टाइम टेबल सध्या आपलं टेंटेटिव्ह असणार आहे. 4 लेक्चरच असणार आहे ऑनलाईन मोडमध्ये. फिजिकल ज्यावेळेस चालू होईल त्यावेळेस तुमचे प्रॅक्टिकल्स वगैरे चालू होतील. तुमचे वॅक्सिनेशन झालं नसेल तर वॅक्सिनेशन करा लवकरात लवकर. अजून काय असतील डाउट्स तर सांगा. कोणाचे डॉक्युमेंट? हा.
So actually some students are facing problem like they are unable to join the meeting. Just increase the number of participants like maximum number is 100.
नाही, today not possible. From tomorrow we are using college login. This is my personal.
Okay.
उद्यापासून होईल ते. आज जरा ते दुसरी मीटिंग होती त्याच्यामुळे ते नाही पॉसिबल झालं. उद्यापासून होईल ते. आज फक्त एवढंच सांगायचं होतं की टाइम टेबल काय असणार आहे, स्ट्रक्चर काय असणार आहे. उद्यापासून रेग्युलर आपला इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम चालू होणार आहे. इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम हे AICTE कडून कंपल्सरी फर्स्ट सेमिस्टर मध्ये 2 वीकचं असतं आणि सेकंड सेमिस्टर मध्ये 1 वीक, असं टोटल 3 वीकचं इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम घ्यायचा असतो. AICTE चे कंपल्शन आहेत. आणि उद्यापासून ते होईल आपलं. त्याच्यानंतर आपले लेक्चर्स आणि त्याच्यामध्ये पण इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम मध्ये पण काही आपले बेसिक सब्जेक्टवर लेक्चर्स होतील, काही क्विज होतील, काही टेस्ट.
सर अंडर 18 ला व्हॅक्सिनचं काय करायचं?
अंडर 18चं सध्या असे वॅक्सिनेशनचं सध्या तो एक इश्यू आहे अंडर 18चा. पण अंडर 18ला 12वी पर्यंत तर परमिशन दिलेली आहे हॉस्टेलला. म्हणजे 12वीचे मुलं सध्या हॉस्टेलमध्ये आहेत, 11वी 12वीचे, म्हणजे तिथे नाही प्रॉब्लेम यायचा. इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम मध्ये तुम्हाला मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर्स असतील, योगा मेडिटेशन असेल, तुमच्या काही कॉम्पिटिशन्स असतील. तुमचे काही डॉक्युमेंट्स सबमिट करायचे राहिले असतील तर सबमिट करा, नंतर आल्यानंतर घेऊन या. काहींचं राहिलं असेल ओरिजिनल तर. अजून काही प्रॉब्लेम असतील तर सांगा. हॉस्टेल ऍडमिशन चालू आहेत. आता 27 डेट कशी असणार आहे, ऑफलाईन ऑनलाईन. आता काही जर रूल आला म्हणजे काही सर्क्युलर आलं तर ऑनलाईन होईल, नाही तर सध्या ऑफलाईनची परमिशन आहे. पण बसेसच्या प्रॉब्लेममुळे सध्या ऑफलाईन मुलांना पण शक्य नाही, काही मुलांना ऑफलाईनच होणार आहे सध्या तरी तसं.